we'll guide you through how to use Todoist for project management. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Todoist website and log into your account, or sign up if you're new. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard where you can manage all your tasks and projects. To create a new project, click on the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Then, click the Add Project button. Give your project a name and choose a color for easy identification. You can also choose whether you want it to be a favorite or shared with others. After setting it up, click Add to create your project. Now, you can start adding tasks to your project by clicking on the project name, and then the Add Task button. Enter the task name and details. You can set a due date by clicking the calendar icon, which helps keep track of deadlines. To add subtasks, simply click on the task you've created, then click Add Subtask. You can prioritize your tasks by clicking the flag icon next to them, choosing from 4 priority levels. Todoist also allows you to use labels and filters to better organize your tasks. To add a label, type "IT" followed by the label name while entering a task. For recurring tasks, you can set a repeat schedule by typing phrases like "every Monday" in the due date field. This feature is great for tasks that happen regularly. Don't forget that Todoist integrates with other tools like Google Calendar, so you can see your tasks alongside your calendar events. This integration helps in keeping everything synchronized. Remember to check off tasks as you complete them to maintain a sense of accomplishment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.